evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the much-awaited tournament's revealer for Platinum Cup. These two teams are very interesting and hard to take on. Hell Rockers versus Kevin 11. One is undisputed in the league matches, and the other team, having witnessed their first loss, they've bounced back so strong that you cannot imagine. This is going to be one of the toughest battle and the decider. The first team will seal the place in Platinum Cup. I have Captain Pradeep and Captain Neeraj of Hell Rockers, and with the match official Deepak with me for the toss, and the coin will be handed over to Neeraj. He shall spin. Heads is the call. Tails it is. Neeraj has won the toss. Toss, you won, and batting first. One more toss and one more important toss for you to win.
Yeah, actually it's an important toss to win. Crucial match. The opposite team is a very good team, good opposition. They are top the table, so it will be a good match, and hopefully we'll make sure that winning the toss will be enough.
I mean, crucial games, tosses are important, but not putting pressure on you. But your runs are duly for team. How would you take on that?
As far as the team is winning, it doesn't matter to me. We'll see today if I get to.
Yes, surely. And any changes in your team?
There are two changes. Other guys are left out. Two new guys are left.
Thank you for your time, Neeraj, and I wish you all the very best for this knockout. And let's go straight to the captain, who's lost the toss, Pradeep. 5 games, 5 wins, amazing. The math what Kevin 11 is doing, playing with the numbers, is absolutely amazing. But call on toss.
Yeah, it's a hard toss. Winning the toss is always tricky. It's not in your hands. So, whatever this thing that we are getting, so we have to do it well. Even though if you won the toss, you don't won the toss, doesn't matter. You have to perform well on the field. That's what we believe. And we lost the toss a couple of times. We were asked to bowl first, and still, yeah, we believe that we can do it.
I mean, do you guys predict future? The reason why I'm asking is you've got your permutations and combination exactly correct with the team. And today, any changes in your squad?
Yeah, we have gotten a couple of changes. Even myself walked into this match and been left out for the last 3 games. So there are a couple of changes.
So then definitely let's head out to the action. And thank you for your time.
Thank you. Thanks.
All the very best for the Platinum Cup's knockout. And this is the news from Centre for the knockout of Platinum Cup, where Hell Rockers have won the toss and elected to bat first. Swing and a miss, appeal for out, and yes, it's given. He takes on, and no one's there. So will be a boundary. Dances down the ground with dancing feet. A lovely inside out. What a lovely, mamma mia, delicious. Stars and ICC 11. Finalists of Gold Cup, UHCC and Yuvan Properties. Tickled off, no need to run, enjoy the treat. Very risky. Dances down. This is the power what we are talking about. Take it. And a 6. Driven straight, drill down, a beautiful high elbow shot for straight drive. Cannot be anything better than and a picked well. Full toss and will be straight in Kevin's hand. Switch on and is the weather. but Mahinder is on fire. As building hard in here, has he picked the gap? Oh yes, with the... And what a modest player he is. Hi, and Sridhar joins the party. Takes on again, and the fielder. And over his head again. Can do nothing. And see the ball way. Takes on this time. Where is it? In the hands. Nowhere is committed. Takes on same area. Will be in Ram Patel's hand. It's just moves across. Sky high. High. And take it. And easy peasy picking for Abdullah. Innovation. Wow. We've whack and just picked it. Where will the ball land? It'll land behind the fielder. What a lovely drive. He screamed it away. And move across. And the computer processor skied high, high, and will be a boundary. And this is what we have been talking about of Madhav. He is the player of potential. That and close your legs, but not your eyes. Sixer! Can just flicked it off. He didn't have to do anything, just had to time it to perfection. Takes on over bowler's head and takes on and a humongous six. A big one. Demoralizing stuff. And will get the inside area of the bat. Will carry themselves with the energy to put pressure on the batsman. And for rocking and smacking shot. Played over extra covers region. And straight over the long on's mid-on's head will be a boundary. Oh, lucky. I feel for him, but lucky to survive as a batsman. And a swing. He'll take you for a ride. And has found the gap again. The fielders will have to save their energy. And Kevin 11 and Shiva Gundra at the second position from Kevin 11 at 2-0. Was brought in the attack. And mystery. With the mystery, he creates the history for Kevin. High in air, is it the wicket they wanted? And the rampart has departed. The range. And this man is a wizard. Straight away taken. And is showing the sorcery. And is back down straight again. Will it go to the fence? And yes, consecutive boundaries. And will be just a dab with no run. And is tried hard, but will get to the fence. 10 on. Skied high and will be 6 again. Appeal for out and he's been given out. Straight away. And will. Is tossed up. Is it gone? Straight away. He's not going to drop. That's the reason why I call ball dance according to him. His fingers have magic. Takes hard and cleaned up. Bye-bye. See you later, Mr. Alligator, says Harish. A quick single, yes, no, hesitant, and errors. Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for joining us with the post-match presentation ceremony of the knockouts of the Platinum Cup, which is very elite in one champion. And the two teams here, Kevin 11, which were undefeated and undisputed. The reign has ended with the champions, Hell Rocker. It is a proud moment for one team and a demise for the other team. Before we commence with the post-match presentation ceremony, let me take the privilege to thank our proud sponsors, Hell Rockers, R11, RR Stones, MSR Tipper Services, and Foursquare Sports Shop. Before we run down, let's have a quick recap what had happened in the match where Hell Rockers won the toss and elected to bat first, and imposing a hefty total of 195 on the fall of 7 wickets. Man himself, Mahinder Reddy and Abdullah, taking everything down like a whirlwind and destructible by the first very moment, and disposing them at 120 for 10 wickets. That is Kevin 11. Let's go straight to the team captain Pradeep, who's standing along with me. What's gone wrong? Crumbling defeat and a demise for me to witness as well.
Yeah, it was a good, tough day for us in the field. Happy to say that they did very well than us. Instead of batting, they have a bad selection. We got 3 wickets in the beginning. They Asians, the player played really well sensibly, and then they finished up really good. And that was the difference that made the game to slip off. And then when we were batting also, we lost a couple of wickets in quick sessions, so that pulled us back into the back foot.
And then, I mean, like 5 games, you go just undefeated and the fairy tale's gone the other side. How would you feel? The world's absolutely changed and you guys are stunned.
Yeah, but cricket is a funny game. It's just a matter of few minutes that the game can turn anywhere. So we learnt our lessons, and we are confident that we'll come back strong in the next season.
Definitely. And what about Mahinder's innings? And before the closing statement comes after his innings, like to wrap up quickly as they're standing, and about the tournament as you've been enjoying a lot.
So yeah, talking about Mahinder's innings, it was really great. I mean, it was a tough situation when he came into bat, and then by the time he was leaving the crease, it was like, he kept his team in a winning position. That was very much commendable job, I would say. And then talking about the tournament and the organization, it was very much one of the high standards tournament. Chances are very high, and then one of the best tournaments I have played so far. And then the organization or the commentary, everything, I would say like it was very much up the mark. I would say it was par the mark.
I mean, I really thank you, and if you can come this side or you can go along, let's speak to the captain who's waiting long in his boxers, enjoying the time with Neeraj Bestia. You were looking good, but unfortunate to have a run out. Were you scolding the team after being run out?
No, it's not. It's just a part of the game. We knew that we had a batting lineup, so we were chasing somewhere. We were thinking to scoring somewhere around 160, and in the end we finished up somewhere around 190, and that's a very good point. Mahinder and yes, their partnership was very crucial for the match because we lost 2-3 wickets early. Later then they both took the initiative and made us score the bar runs which we were expecting. And in the end, Abdullah came and he was brilliant.
I didn't know, but he went bonkers. But any pressure on Mahinder Reddy's head because he was sent down in a tricky position?
No. He's a very experienced guy. He has played lots of cricket, so that shouldn't be a problem. We have seen many things going like this on the field in many matches, and there are situations where he has kept his hand up and took the team forward in many of the matches. It was not so, as for my thing, it was not so tough for him to take the team to the winning position.
Definitely, you guys are the first team which have been unrevealed to seal the position in Platinum Cup. Should be happy. I'll keep few more questions aside to ask you in the finale. If you can stay along here until I speak with the man of the match. Familiar face, guys. You know this man, Mahinder Reddy, who's smiling right now. Didn't show any mercy to the bowlers, who scored 60 in just 36 balls. What a magnificent innings. You've come down in a tricky position where the team sent you.
No, usually me and Yash planned for a little of 5 to 6 overs. We'll focus on the runs, which will get soft runs, and we'll focusing on the loose balls. Then only we will step out from the pressure situation. And initially when we got the first wicket run out, it is a basic thing in the cricket. If any team gets first wicket run out, some moral will be getting down. But me and Yash was covered very, and in the end end, Abdullah was also played very well. This makes us a win, and we are happy in this situation.
And talking about Abdullah's innings, you are the key man building the total innings. So did you have any pressure, because you are known as the experienced batsman in the team, and your innings were due after the 70 coming after injury, and you provided them with this?
No, there will be no any pressure, because the experience plays a lot of role in these critical semi-final matches. And opponents also bowl very well, and they have played very good cricket for Kevin 11 without loss in the 5 league matches. But sometimes the semi-final it may happen. But me and Ash gave a good partnership. It plays us a good result in the end of the match.
Definitely, without keeping you waiting, this is your fruit which is coming you ahead. If the captain can also join along, Mahinder, and the Kevin 11's captain Pradeep. Smiling end of the day, that's the chivalry part of the game, winning or losing. But sportsmen stand together, whatever the matter is.
Thank you.
And thank you one and all. Thank you for joining me, the captains. And this is it. We wrap up from the post-match presentation ceremony of Hell Rockers and Kevin 11. Thank you.